Welcome back everybody to my channel, and I am back with a quick trick to get you free and unlimited TikTok views and likes without wasting any time or without spending any money. First of all, go to this website called fireliker.com. By the way, I am using my computer, so if you want you can use the same website on your smartphones as well. So let's see what they give us. They give us instant likes, instant views, instant fans, trusted and safe. Okay, login method. We have to log in using our username. If you are using on phone, you will go to your TikTok app to find your username here. Next to @ sign. So we will just have to ignore the @ sign and type in our username. In my case, I am using computer, so I logged into TikTok using my web browser, and I go to my profile, and here is my username. Next to I will just copy this part, copy, and go back to website, paste it here, continue. It will take a few seconds to load, and then it requires 10 more seconds. Now I can visit FreeLiker dashboard. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I have a robot check, and I have to type in this code. I guess it's ZA71S, and continue. Yes, it was right. So I am logged in with using my account, and this is my user ID. And okay, so they say we can have auto views, auto hearts, TikTok video downloader. So I'm going to use auto views because right now it says 0 hearts issue. We are aware of the issue and working to fix it ASAP. So let's say maybe this liking option will be up and running by the time you are seeing this video, but now I'm going to get some auto views. So I hit this button, and it takes 10 more seconds to load all my videos which I posted on my TikTok profile. Visit FreeLiker. Okay, so these are all the posted videos on my TikTok profile. To double check, you can see I have uploaded 7 videos, and it grabbed all of those 7. Okay, so let's see, I have 234 views on this video and choose limit. Please remember, this is not the exact or accurate amount of views we are going to get. It's up to, so let's say maybe it's 50 or 100 or 150, but don't worry, whatever number we get, we can always redo this process to get as many views as we want. So I'm getting up to 200 views now. 234 is my current status. 234 here and 234 here. So send views. Success views has been successfully sent to your mentioned post. Okay, it says my views are reached, so I'm just going to check if it's true or not. So this is my profile, 234, which was before. I'm going to refresh, and I got 385. See, in a few seconds it increased my views. So same way you can do so, and you can keep repeating the process until you reach to a number which looks good to read maybe. And thank you so much. I will see you next. Take care. Bye bye.